Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Calendly for scheduling in no-code apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.calendly.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on sign up. You will see options to sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or email account. Choose the option that best suits you. If you choose email, input your email address and click sign up. Follow the prompts to set your password. After you've registered, you will need to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Calendly. Click the link in that email to verify your account. Return to the Calendly website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Begin by setting up your availability. Click on the Event Types tab to create your first event. Select the type of event you wish to create, such as a one-on-one or group meeting. Fill in the required details, including the event name and duration. Set your availability preferences based on your schedule. You can also define buffer times between meetings if desired. Next, customize the event link, making it easy to share. Click Next after reviewing your settings. If you want to integrate Calendly with other apps like Zoom or Google Calendar, now is the time to do that. Go to the Integrations section in your account settings. Choose the appropriate integration options and follow the instructions. After you've set up integrations, it's time to share your Calendly link. Copy the link provided on your dashboard. You can now share this link via email, social media, or embed it on your website. To create additional event types, return to the Event Types tab. Click New Event Type and repeat the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.